Hey everyone, once again welcome back. And in the previous video we are implementing this that whenever we are submitting our request to the server, so first we need to make sure that our user is properly logged in, right? And if I click on this purchase now, so it's displaying that please log in first to complete the action. So our call is going on the server side without page refresh and displaying a message here, right? Okay, and by the way, this is a full course where I'm shooting this about how to build the reward system. We have some users, so user will reference some other users, and user have some points. By using these points, user can purchase something from this website, right? And administrator can also assign the points to the users, and there are more things like administrator can manage the user and manage these products, right? Okay, and today in this video I'm going to now cover the second part of this video, which is about to purchase this product and saved it into the database. So now let's get started. So here, whenever our user is logged in, so we want to display all of the requests here, right? So now let's close this one and here I'm going to log in myself, right? And what's the user we have here? So click on this users. Okay, we have super administrator, right? And here we need only a simple user, right? Not administrator isn't going to buy this product, right? So this one is a site. So here I'm going to register a new user. So first I need to add a button here and then register this user, right? Okay, so let me add the button at the top. So go to the main file of our site. So this one is this, and here just right we have a phone home, right? Okay, simply copy this one, add this here and make this register, and this should be fully qualified route register. So by the way, this register route is available in the starter kit, right? Now let's give it a refresh, and yes, register is here. So click on it, and yes, we landed on the register page. So here I'm going to register myself. Okay, contact at the rate of cdlcell.com. This is our official website where you can contact with us if you have any query or you want to build some project from us. Okay, and here let's click on this register, and yes, now we are registered here. And if I give it a refresh here, so my user role is simple user, not an administrator, right? So this user cannot visit the administrator dashboard, right? If I go here, I added this functionality or not, so let's make sure this. And yes, if I visit this admin slash dashboards, it's redirecting me back on the home page. So it means that middleware is protecting this route, that if I'm the administrator user, so then I'll be able to access the admin slash dashboard route, right? Otherwise I can't access this URL. That is a good thing. And here we added this link, right? And now the time is to visit this home of this site and purchase some product. So just click on this buy now button. I want to purchase a 2 quantity. Click on this purchase now. Okay, so if I go here and open the network tab here, click on this purchase, and yes, I'm getting this quantity and its name, right? So it means that I'm getting these name, and now the time is to save them into the database, right? So before this, if you are new on this channel and new on this site, I have created this solutions.cdlcell.com where I created this website for the users. If you are facing some problems, you can post your queries here, so I will respond you, our team will respond you within 24 hours, right? So here I'm solving these problems of users, that how to they are basically posting all of the stuff, that what's the title of the error, what's the error image, what's the description, and they are also mentioning the code, right? And here I'm responding them. And also there is a comment functionality where you can add comments, and we can discuss about the problem if it isn't clear, right? And the other user can also participate in this in these posts, right? And this is very simple. Just click on this share problem, and then log in the simple user, and then there is option of create post, right? So before and then there is also a tab where I added a demo button. So you can click on this demo button and watch the demo, that how to create the post, right? So if I go ahead and close this one, so now I'm going to coming back to my topic. Okay, so here in the home controller, I'm receiving these all of the product name and its quantity, right? Okay, so now I need the table where I will store my purchase products, right? So now let's go here to make sure that I have created any migration for this. Critically, no, I didn't create. Okay, so PHP artisan make model, right? And model name would be the purchase product. Okay, purchase product. And I'm also adding the -m flag with this one, because I want to create the migration for this one, right? Okay, it's created and migration is also created, right? Purchase products, and also the drop if exists. That is the beauty of this artisan command line. Okay, so now here I need first to a foreign key of user ID. So first add the user ID here, table, and then foreign ID. This one is a helper, and if you want to know that how this ID is suggesting me the helpers, and also more options which are not visible for you, right? So for this I'm following the VS. I installed different VS Code extension that are that's why I'm able to use these features, right? If you want to use this feature, so simply go to my YouTube channel and search a playlist of VS Code in Laravel. So this will teach you that how you can make your editor intelligent. Okay, just go here and simply watch this series, this one, set up VS Code for Laravel. Here I completely explain that how you can add the different stuff to switch into the file, right? And how to add the namespace at the top, how to change the VS Code project directories and files, and there are much more things which are very useful for you. So don't forget to check this out. And here first would be the user ID. Okay, and then I'm going to add the constraints. It will Laravel, I'm following the Laravel convention, so it will know that my table name would be users, right? So it will guess this user using these convention, right? But if you are not following the convention, so make sure to mention your table name here in the constraint, right? So I'm skipping this one because I'm following the Laravel convention, right? Okay, and here I want to create another one which is product ID, right? So I will not create this product ID as a foreign key. Why? Because in future if the product name will be changed, right? So it will reflecting in our database, right? And the name is not good example. Good example is price. So for example, we purchase the product with the $50, right? And in the next week it will be the price will be updated to 70, right? So if I visit my purchase products page where it's displaying my purchase products, right? I bought the product of $50, but it will show the 70 because product price is increased in the inventory, right? So this is not good thing. I purchased this in the using the $50, right? So it's displaying the 70, which is incorrect. So that's why this is a case that where we will not use a foreign key. We will hard code our values here, right? Okay, so our product, first I will store the product name, the string form product name, right? And then I will store the product points, which is the product price. Okay, this one would be the big integer. Make sure to add the big integer, not big increment. There is a huge difference between these two ones. Big increments will increase every time one value inside the existing one, so be aware of this thing. Here I'm going to mention the price, or we can also mention the points. So let me also make sure that what we added in the previous products, and yes, we assigned the points, right? So this one is correct, and default point would be 0, right? Okay, and we have storing the user id, product name, points. What are the other parameters I need to store this product have a name, we don't need this description, we need the points, and yes, we need the quantity, right? Okay, and table, and this would be also, you can say that this would be tiny int, tiny integer, and this would be the quantity, right? And also I'm going to make my model fillable right now. Just visit this purchase, oops, not request, it's a purchase product model, purchase product model. And here I'm going to add a property of fillable, right? Okay, and here I'm going to assign my values like user id, and what are the other parameters here, and add them, or product name, quantity, product name, quantity, and then points, right? So this will be the points. And by the way, I'm shooting this series in the live environment, that if I'm doing some mistakes, we will also learn that senior developer also this type of mistakes, and we will also learn that how to fix these type of problems, right? So I'm not cutting any of the points. This will also teach you that what's the error and how to find this error and implement the solutions. Okay, and that's the beauty of this this channel, that I'm shooting these live, right? Okay, and here now I want to include this product to purchase product, right? While displaying this plural, not plural, while displaying this in the lowercase. If I visit this models, no, we have in the capital product, purchase product, namespace is added at the top due to installation of my extensions. And here I'm going to use a create method to store everything here. And here first we need the user id, right? So if our user is logged in, so we will get the user id. So simply you can get the auth id inside the method, or you can also create the user object here at the top, and then you can store this id, or you can directly call this id helper, right? So let me make this user id like this, and here I'm going to pass this to this user id, Okay, and after this I need the product to product name, right? So name would be the, we are getting this in the product name parameter, right? So here simply call this request, and on the request we are getting this product name, right? And other one is quantity, right? Quantity, and then quantity would be the request, and then quantity, right? Okay, and then we need the price. Okay, here we are passing the price. No, we are not passing the price of this product, right? Actually we need the price of this product, so then we will able to get this product, right? Or we can get the price and we can multiply with the quantity. Also make sure this thing that if user is purchasing purchase the two quantity, so we need to multiply with the product price. Okay, and here we need the request to, I'm going to create the variable here at the top, which is product price, right? And here I will store the price of my product price, right? Okay, so I'm cutting this, and after this I'll, the session value, that is that is it stored or not, so we can use our try catch block here. Okay, try catch, it will catch the exception, that if something went wrong, so it will catch the exception, right? So simply do our return response, and here we can show the response that what's the status of this one, and we can also response the its response code, which is like 404 or 402, which is which is for bad request, right? You can display this as a error, get message, and then display this error, and if error isn't here, so we can return response, and here in the response I can say that product um, product purchased successfully, right? So this is a message, and then I can pass this 201, which is the success code status, right? Okay, before this I need to get this price, right? I need to get this price from this page. Here I'm opening the model, so let me close this stuff, views, site, and the site we have include where we are using the model, right? So this one is a model purchase now, and we need to product name, and we need the product price here too, right. Okay, and if I go here and add input here, which is about price, right? Product price, and then here I will use this idea of product price. Okay, they go to the bottom of, oh no, not this bottom, go here and visit this how to, where I'm getting this value when I'm clicking on model, so single, and it's opening this model and getting this value from there, data dot name, right? So I'm doing this here, and here I need to also store the product to entity, its price, product price dot well data dot points, right? So now let's give it a refresh, click on the product, displaying the 50, right? If I click on this, displaying the 10, right, which is correct. And now let's go here, click on this product price, right? And here I'm going to make this hidden, right? I don't want to show the price here because it's visible on this page, right? And here our price is there, so it will check the quantity of our product, that if it is one, so I multiply with the one, otherwise multiply with the quantity every time, right? I want to multiply with the quantity. So here I'm going to add the get the price of my product, right? This would be the price, and the price parameter, and then quantity, it's in the request quantity. Okay, so now if my quantity is 1, so this one will be multiply with the price, and is it's not going to reflect the product price, right? But if the product price is product quantity is 2 or 3, so it will reflect also in the price too. Okay, now let's test this out. Here I'm going to purchase this HP laptop. Okay, click on this purchase, and it's not displaying anything because we have not added any of the alert to undefined reading error. Just visit here, there is no error, but it's displaying the front end error, right? If I refresh here and open this table, purchase product. Okay, we don't have any table. Oh my god, I forgot to migrate my migration, right? PHP artisan migrate. Hit enter. Yes, it's migrated now. And here when my response is there, if I go here in the script, so where I'm sending this request product purchase now, if this product will be purchased, so I want to hide the modal of buy now, right? Hide this modal and display a message here, right? So simply copy this one. I want to display the success message, right? And or you can say that good job, and then this would be the success. And here I want to display the data, and data dot to is it stored inside the object? No, it's directly stored, so there data. So now simply refresh this web page and try it again. Click on this buy now, click on this purchase, displaying 402 payment required. If I go here, there an error, product name doesn't have a value. Okay, so oh, I know that why it's showing, because I named this wrong. My this column name would be the product name, right? If I visit this out, yes, it's a product name. Okay, it's correct. Let's click on this again, purchase now, and yes, it is saying that good job, product purchased successfully, right? And if I visit this database here, refresh product purchase products. Okay, and yes, we are getting the user ID here, right? And also displaying the product name, its quantity, and its points, right? So its points are 0, which is very weird. Why displaying the 0 points? Okay, let's make sure here that we are getting the inside the price, and here I name this price, which is correct, right? So if I go here, and we can test this here using td, which is dump die. So click on this again, click on this purchase. Here I'm getting the null, right? So why we are getting the null value? Product price. Whenever someone is clicking on this one, oh, maybe I go and refresh. We test this here. $10 is still returning the null product price, and if I out go above product price data dot points. So these points are 10. If these points are added in the DOM, so let's make sure here we have a model. So let me open the model here. I want to add this, that is these adding in the DOM or not. Price and price would be 10, so it's adding here, but it's not reflected on the backend. Product price 10. Okay, and here, oh, I noticed that what's the thing here. No, it's correct. Price, and this would be the product price. This is good. Why it's not submitting the value on the backend? Price and it's returning the null. Okay, price, and here request price. Weird stuff. Okay, data dot the value. Oh my, maybe due to, let me make this product price. This is not the case, but in future when we have multiple IDs in the same DOM, right? DOM object. For example, we are clicking on the product one, so it's also have a price level, and the other product also have price level, right? It will create problems in the future. Okay, still getting the null product price. So how to fix this issue? And I will fix this in the live environment price. And now if I visit this, let me make this text first to make the product price visible here. 50, click on this purchase, and here it's getting the null. Because I'm not submitting this value. I go here, visit this out, and here I'm not getting this product value, right? So first to this product price. Okay, make sure to also change this on the backend side. Product price dot val, and here need the product price. Save this one and also change this. So here in the controller, this will be the product price, right? So now let's give it a refresh and it will work. Click on it, purchase now, and yes, our product price is there, right? So now let me remove the existing one from here. Just removed, and I'm going to first hide this again here, make this hidden, refresh it, and I'm very sure that it will work like we are expecting. Click on it, purchase now, and displaying the error. I think I didn't remove the TD. Yes, I didn't remove the TD. Okay, save this one and click on this purchase now, and yes, good job, this one is saved it, and it's still returning the 0 points. So now let's visit this out. We have added this in the label points. Oh, I did this price, not the points, so that's the mistake. Let's delete it again. Click on it again, purchase this product. We are going to purchase this laptop again and again, right? Refresh, and yes, we have some points here, right, with the product name, its quantity, and its price, right? So for example, now I want to create the two laptop, right? So what will happen? Click on this buy now, click on this. So my quantity is 2, right? So my price will be the 100 points, right? So click on this purchase now, good job. And now let's make sure that our product price is correct, that we are expecting. Refresh, and yes, it's correct, and it's successfully saving our product to price, or you can say that it's points, right? So in this way you can user can purchase these products, right? And hope you enjoyed this enjoying this series. And if you like this video, press the like button and share your feedback. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.